Greetings to all the viewers. So we are discussing about chemistry in everyday life. In continuation to earlier session, chemical substances which are present in the toothpaste are going to be discussed over here. Chemical is a substance that is required with some extent of composition and that will exhibit the property that will work for the application purpose, that is said to be a chemical, right? So if you want to observe about the toothpaste, in the toothpaste so many kind of chemicals are available. Calcium carbonate will be there, that will works like a abrasive and used to remove the plaque, right? So whatever kind of dirt particles present in the on the surface of teeth, you can remove by means of calcium carbonate as an abrasive agent. And another one is a sorbitol. Sorbitol prevents the loss of water and hardening of toothpaste, that used to give the kind of flexibility, right? So here flexible, that paste type of material, that is that paste texture is given by sorbitol. Glycerin will be there, that makes the toothpaste foam in the mouth. Whenever we are brushing, foam will be generated due to the existence of glycerin in that. Bubbles will be generated, foam will be originated. Sodium lauryl sulfate, it is the important ingredient of the toothpaste. It is a detergent to loosen the plaque, right? So it works like a whatever dirt particles present on the surface of teeth, that will be completely loosened. That is somewhat easy to remove. In that manner, sodium lauryl sulfate is useful. Then titanium dioxide will be there, that makes the toothpaste white and opaque. So most of the toothpaste are white in color because of the titanium dioxide, that is a pigment only. Here, triclosan will be there, inhibits the bacteria that cause the plaque and gum diseases. Triclosan used to avoid the infections, being that used to kill the bacteria and other pathogens, and that will protect the teeth from all microorganisms, so that triclosan will work. Sodium fluorophosphate, fluoride is very essential, and that used to prevent the formation of cavities, and tooth enamel will be restored, and strengthening of the teeth is possible. Enamel is mainly restored by this biofilm called fluoride. Methyl salicylate is also the another component in the toothpaste that gives a pleasant wintergreen flavor. So methyl salicylate is the kind of flavoring agent. This is the way these many ingredients. So that depends upon the kind of commercial trading toothpaste, but more or less these are the important ingredients which are present in the toothpaste. Thank you very much.